quality of this is so good. I'm not even kidding. I regret buying this from men's section. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hopefully you all are doing great and you all are safe. So if someone is new over here, hi, I'm Mandira Siddesh and I do videos based on challenges, vlogs and hauls. So if you like this content, please do subscribe to my channel guys. It's just for free. You all can just press that red button over there and yeah. Coming to the point, this video is based on a street style store haul. Like, I'm just excited to show you all the footwear collections what I bought from their store, and also I shop from men's store too. Like, yeah, I shop from men's section too. So without any further ado, let's get into the video guys. So guys, the first one are these. As you all just saw, this is so cute, right? Just a minute, I'll just give you all a close-up view. And they have mentioned the price like $9.99, but you can get 3 for $9.99. Yeah, that is the deal what they give. And also coming to the point, the quality is good, like not that bad, and also the fabric of this is so good, like so good. And there's in the cheetah print, as you all have already seen. And I would like to tell you all something that is nothing but this footwear can last up to 2 to 3 months, like not more than that, because I know how this works. I'm just telling the truth. Like, I would not tell you all that yeah, this will work for a year or something. No, that's not gonna happen for sure. This is not gonna last for a very long time, I know that, but yeah, trust me, this is very good. And I'm the size of 41, and yeah, this is kind of pretty okay. Like the brown shade over here and also the fabric over here is too good. You all can give it a try, and also I'll just add a video over here so that you will get to know how it fits, like how it looks when you wear it. So yeah, watch it. So guys, the next one are these. These are so cute, right? Like, these are so bossy vibe footwear. I'm not even kidding. Just a minute. Can you all see the chain over there? It is so good, right? The quality of the chain is so good, and this looks so posh, like the boss ka vibe. I don't know why, okay? And this will go with formals, frock or jeans or whatever. And also the point is, this footwear is in black color and you all can wear it anywhere. Like, it will suit any other dress, right? Like, you all must know the advantage of buying a black color footwear is like you can wear it for everything, right? So coming to the point, again I'm in the size like 41 and they are told $9.99, but trust me, you all are getting this 3 for $9.99, okay? And also the chain quality is too good, but the quality of this is not that great. And also it covers the whole footwear, like the foot in the starting part, and this is kind of okay. You all can give it a try. Please do watch the video so that you'll get a look of how it looks. So guys, the next one are these. As you all just saw, these are so cute, right? Like the girlish vibe over here. Like, I don't know, okay, this was the only footwear which motivated me to buy all the others. Like, these are so cute. I just love them, okay? I don't know why. The print over here and the white thing, like the whole thing is so good. To be very honest, this is so good, okay? I just love this footwear for no reason. I just love it. And also coming to the point, the print over here is too good. Like, you have a flower print over here with stems and all, and also the white bow over here is so cute. I just love it. And also this footwear is very cute, okay? I don't know why, but it's like a girlish vibe. And also you all can pair this with any frock or any jeans. This will go well, okay? Like, this is not kind of a formal thing, but yeah, girlish. It looks so good. And also the quality is like okay. I can just tell you all that you can wear this footwear for 2 to 3 months or like up to 4 months, not more than that. For sure it will be torn by the time, and but trust me, this is so good. And also this is flexible, guys. I don't know. This is good, okay? I am in love. I don't know why, but trust me, these are so cute. Like, this is so good, right? I don't know why am I even telling it, but these are so cute and I love them, okay? So guys, I would like to tell you all that if you all want these 3 products under 1000 rupees, make sure that you add 3 different products in the same category so that you can apply the code like 999 for 3. So yeah, this is a steal guys, you all need to go and buy this, okay? So guys, I'm just excited to show you all the men's section collections what I bought. Like, I am damn excited to show you all, so let's get into that one right now. So guys, the first one are these. As you just saw, I bought a hoodie from the men's section and also it has a print like Supreme on it. And yeah, coming to the point, they have a pocket, like it is just connected. I just love this kind of pocket, okay? I just love it. I'm not even kidding. I don't want that Zipka vibe in between because that is very, that is not good for me. I guess men just like the vibe of this. I don't know. How can they even just like the one which has a zip in between? Like, it's bad, okay, for me. Yeah, coming to the point, the quality of this is so good. I'm not even kidding. This is so thick, okay? It's like not even that thin or not that thick, but it's thick. I'm not even kidding. Like, can you just see it? It is not transparent at all. And yeah, coming to the point, the sleeves are so good. Like, it's proper fitting for me. Like, it's proper. But one thing which I didn't like in this whole hoodie was the thread what they've used. I don't know why everything was so perfect, but just a minute, can you all see this one? This is so irritating, right? Like, everything was so perfect, but the thread what they've used is so bad. Like, the quality of this thread is so bad. I would like to tell them just change this thread and this will be the best hoodie ever, okay? Yeah, these are so cute and I just paid like $670 or something. I'll just add the price over the screen somewhere over here because I don't remember the price, but trust me, this is too good. And this is so good, okay? You all can buy this if you can ignore this one thread. Yeah. So let's go to the next one. So guys, the next one are these. Again, it's a hoodie over here. It's a plain green, like dark green hoodie, which has a print over here. Like, can you all see this print? Like yellow, black, yellow, and yeah, yellow and green over here. This looks kinda different, okay? I just love the vibe what it gives, and I love green for no reason. I just love dark green, okay? Like, these days I love green also. And yeah, coming to the point, the fitting is so good for me. Like, I don't know how XS, S and M fit so properly to me, and this hoodie is so good, like so good. And also this vibe over here, like the sleeves are so good. I don't know why this is just perfect. And also coming to the point, they have the same pocket, my favorite. I just love this one because I can hold my hand inside and it will be like warm. You know, you got the point? Yeah, that's me, okay? And coming to the point, the thread what they have used in this hoodie is so good. Can you just see it? These are so good, right? They can use the same thing for that one also. But yeah, trust me, the quality of this is so good. I'm not even kidding. Both the hoodies are so good. I just love them, okay? And yeah, I just love this one also. Let's add the price on the screen. I'm so sorry, I don't remember the price. But yeah, this is a must buy. This is a must buy. I'm not even kidding. I just love this, okay? I just love this. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Hopefully this video was helpful for you all to find the best things in Street Style store. If yes, please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel, guys. And also please do make sure that you watch this video over here. Yeah, this one, so that you'll get to know the quality of the tops. And yeah, I have bought 6 different tops, so please do go and watch them. I'll meet you all very soon. Bye bye.